Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Outlook email view too big or too small, fix it in seconds. First method is change zoom settings. Second method is change view options. Third method is change display settings. Fourth method is change text size. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.